In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status labels on Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a status column to your board and use it to track progress clearly and consistently. Start by going to Monday.com and signing into your account. Use your normal login method and let the workspace load fully. This ensures all your boards and columns appear as expected, so nothing is missing when you start making changes. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for your list of boards. Choose the board where you want to manage progress and click it to open. This is the space where your items or tasks live, and it's where your new status labels will be applied. Make sure you can see your table view with the existing columns and rows of items. Next, move your attention to the right side of your columns. You'll see a small plus icon used to add a new column. Click that plus icon. This is how you expand your board with new fields, and it's the right place to add a column designed specifically for tracking workflow. From the list of column types that appears, select Status. The Status column is built for quick visual tracking. It uses color-coded labels so anyone can see the state of a task at a glance. After you select it, a new status column will appear on your board, ready for you to use. Now, assign a status to each task. Click inside the cell in the status column for a given item and choose the label that best matches its progress. Common options include Done, Working on it, Stuck, and Not Started. Done is perfect when a task is complete. Working on it signals active progress. Stuck is a clear flag that something is blocking the task and may need attention. Not Started simply shows the task hasn't begun. Pick the label that reflects reality right now and repeat this for every relevant item on the board. As you update these cells, you'll immediately see color cues spread across the board, making it easy to scan and understand what needs focus. Keeping these labels accurate helps your team stay aligned and prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. If your work changes, just click a status again and update it. There's no extra save button needed. That's all you need to add and use status labels on Monday.com. With a status column in place and consistent labels applied, your board becomes a clear, dependable snapshot of progress.